In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Blitz chess on chess.com step by step, quickly and easily. If you want fast games, sharper tactics, and a more exciting way to play online chess, Blitz is one of the best time controls to try. This guide is perfect whether you're brand new to chess.com or you just want to find the Blitz settings faster. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once the site loads, you'll see the main homepage and the left sidebar menu. On the left side, hover your mouse over the play icon. Don't click too fast here because the menu you need appears when you move your cursor over it. After you hover over play, a set of options will appear. From those options, click the play online button. Now you'll be taken to the game setup screen. This is where chess.com lets you choose the type of game you want to play. Look for the time control box. In many cases, it will default to something like 10 minutes, which is not Blitz. Blitz chess is faster, so this is the setting you need to change. Click the time control box to open the list of available time controls. Once the time control menu opens, you'll see several presets. For Blitz chess, choose one of the Blitz options such as 3-minute, 3+2, or 5-minute. These are the most common Blitz formats, and they all give you a fast-paced game. If you want the purest Blitz experience, 3-minute is very quick. If you want a little extra time with increment, 3+2 is a great choice. And if you want something a little more relaxed but still fast, 5-minute is also a classic Blitz option. After selecting your preferred Blitz preset, take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. You want to confirm that the time control is now set to a Blitz format before starting the game. This step is important, because once you click play, chess.com will start searching for an opponent based on the time control you selected. When you're ready, click the play button. Chess.com will begin pairing you with another player who wants to play at the same Blitz time control. Depending on the time of day and how many players are online, pairing may happen very quickly. Once an opponent is found, your Blitz game will begin right away and you can start playing. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to play Blitz chess on chess.com by opening the play menu, choosing a Blitz time control, and starting your game. It's a simple process, but once you know where the setting is, it becomes very fast to launch a Blitz match anytime you want. Blitz is a great way to practice faster decision making, improve your pattern recognition, and get more games in during a short amount of time. It's also a fun way to build confidence under pressure. If you're just starting out, try a few games in 5-minute first. If you already know the basics and want a faster challenge, 3-minute or 3+2 can be a great next step. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.